how to log in Yahoo on desktop. So if you want to log in your Yahoo account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser which you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar, or you can also go for your Yahoo application. If you have, then simply go for the search bar and search for Yahoo Mail login. And here you can simply go for the first search, which is mail.yahoo.com, which has that Yahoo Mail. And once you go for the first search, you need to go for sign in, which is on the upper right. And now you can go for use another account. And here you need to enter your username or your email address or your mobile number. So enter that. And if you don't have an account, then you can go for create an account so that you can create a Yahoo Mail account. But if you already have an account, then enter your username and click on next. And then you need to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. And once you've reset or recovered it, you can again go to the login page and you can go for the login and you can log into your account. But if you remember, then you don't need to reset or recover it. You need to simply enter your password on this blank and click on next. And once you click on next, it will log in into your Yahoo, right? So now if you want to go for Yahoo Mail, then you can go for Mail, which will be on the upper right. And it will take you to your Yahoo Mail. So that's it. That's how you log into your Yahoo account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.